Hello guys, welcome back to RAMS CAD YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a sheet metal part with thickest details. You'll see how this part looks like when it's done. So I'll choose the dimensions as shown in the drawing and make the sheet metal parts. So let's start this video. So let's start making this sheet metal part. We'll first choose the top plane, make the sketch here. Now we'll select the sheet thickness as 2 mm and bend reduction as 3.6 mm. Now we'll keep the cut here. One cut is here, one is here, and one is here. And keep the dimension mentioned in the drawing. We'll make them collinear. I'll give a cut extrude here. Alright. A chamfer is here on this edge. Two fillets here. One fillet here. One fillet here. And one is here of 10 mm. So as you can see, we are done making the top plane except these two holes. We'll give these two holes dimension after giving the bend. Alright. One more thing is here. Now it's done. We'll give a bend here first. Give the bend reduction. While giving the bend, you must check the position of the bend. Choose bend direction again. We have two fillets here also. We have two bends here. Sorry. Looks good. Two bend here also. This will be 20 mm. This will be 30 mm. Okay, so what you have to look at when you give the bend of non-90 degree, you will have to choose K factor, okay? Or else, if you don't choose it, if you choose the bend reduction and you go to flatten the piece, that won't bend. If you see at the error, this says the specified bend reduction value for the given radius and thickness is invalid. Try using a different bend reduction value or use a different bend allowance type. Alright, so whenever you are giving the bend reduction to a non-90 degree bend, you must select K factor. Alright, we have two bends of non-90 degree, non-perpendicular. We will have to choose K factor in both. See, once I'm done with selecting the bend reduction as K factor, now we are able to flatten this piece. So I'll continue making the design. We have fillets here. Now I'll make the holes. One is here and one is here. All dimensions I am selecting is from outside. This is 10 mm. This is in the center, so I'll select this center line, make it 0. from outside is 10 mm. And I want both the dies same, so I'll choose both the circle and make it equal. Alright, I'll do the cut here. And last thing is cut on these three faces. So it's 5 mm from here and 15 mm from here. This is 3 mm. So we are done making this rectangle cut. I'll now do the linear pattern. We need this 7. Alright. And the last one is also 10 mm from here. I'll give the cut again to all. Alright, so we're done making the part. We'll choose the material. What material is it? So this part is steel, that is mild steel, cold rolled. If you see the value, you have the density and everything for the CRCA mild steel. Click on apply and close. So now you're done making a sheet metal part. This is CRCA 2 mm thickness material. You'll go to mass property. You'll see the weight of the part. Once this part is done, the final weight of the part will be 318.19 grams. If you want to give appearance to this part, you can go to appearance, choose metal. What kind of metal do you want? So this is mild steel. And what kind of finish do you want? You have multiple finish here. I want this as polished steel. I'll choose the body and see the real view graphics, how it looks. So this is